3 reasons why you're not making progress in the gym. First reason is you are not focusing on your setup. Whichever lift you are doing, you're going straight up to the barbell or your dumbbells and you're just going straight into your lift and not thinking about the position that your body needs to be in, where the bar needs to be, how tight you are before you execute your lift. So make sure that you focus on your setup, make sure your body is in the right position, all the joints are nice and tight, and that's going to ensure that you get the most out of every lift. Second mistake you are making is all of the reps in your set look exactly the same. So the last rep still looks like your first rep. So if you finish a set and it looks like your first rep, you did not work hard enough. Those last 2 reps in your set, you need to start thinking about them. They should be feeling harder, the movement should be slowing down, and in between those last 2 reps, you should really be needing to pause, think about your breath, think about the position of your body, so you can execute that lift by pushing as hard as possible whilst maintaining good form and technique. If your last 2 reps do not feel like that, the likelihood is you are not working hard enough and you're not going to get those results that you desire, whether that be burning more fat, building more muscle, getting stronger. So make sure those last 2 reps are nice and challenging. The third mistake you are making, linked to that last point, is you are not taking enough rest between your sets. If you feel like you're ready to go after a minute, 90 seconds, and you're performing exactly the same reps as you did in that last set, then the chances are you did not work hard enough in that first set, and you're also trying to chase feeling out of breath, sweaty and tired, and that is not the objective when we are in here in the gym. If we want to be burning fat, we want to be building muscle, we want to be getting stronger, and the only way that you are going to do that is by making sure that those reps are as intense as possible, to the point where you really need those 2, 3, 4-minute breaks in between each set. So make sure that you are working hard enough to take long breaks, and make sure that you are also resting for long enough. Now, tied to that, it's really important that you hit your reps in each set. So if you're prescribed to do 8 reps and you take a 1-minute break, and in that next set you only hit 6 or 4 reps, then you've not hit the required volume that you need at the right intensity to get the results that you are looking for in the gym. So in summary, guys, make sure that you set up your last 2 reps are nice and challenging, and that you're taking long enough rest in between each set. You'll make solid progress in the gym, which will cause you to burn fat, build muscle, and get stronger.